Je suis le roi de la danse, oh, la jungle est à mes pieds. De la puissance, je suis au plus haut et pourtant je dois vous envier. Je voudrais devenir un homme, ce serait merveilleux. Vivre pareil aux autres hommes, loin des singes ennuyeux.
Well, good morning, it is Monday. And I just finished doing two really important classes with members. Our first class was the Sherlock Masterclass. This is where we break down the chart and we look at where institutional buying and selling is taking place, okay? To be profitable in the markets, you need to know, first of all, who's moving the market and where are they moving the market, from where to where. And the only way you're going to discover that is by locating the institutional buying and selling. And so that's what we do in our Sherlock Masterclass, is we have a chart and we examine where's the buying and selling coming in on the chart, drawing the supply and demand zones and the trend lines. And so we did that. We had a lot of members submit homework. We reviewed the homework, because this is how you get good, is by doing homework. I mean, there's a reason why homework has been a thing that we've been doing since we've been young, okay? It's because you need to do the work constantly for you to learn and to acquire the skills necessary to be good at doing what you're doing. In analysis, you got to constantly be doing analysis. You get better at doing analysis by doing analysis. And so that's what we did this morning. And then we had the CFTC Masterclass, where we took a look at the latest CFTC data. I did upload a video, which you can see here, all right? I did upload a video for the public, which is a watered down version of what we do with members. But you get the gist of what's going on by examining the largest institutions' positions that they're holding in the currency market, gold, silver, and all that stuff. And so there's a lot of profit taking being had. If you watch the video, you'll know that there's a lot of profit taking being had. So this is not an ideal time to get into a position. We had a short on the US CAD, it worked out perfectly. A long on the Euro US dollar worked out perfectly. But now it's not high probability to trade those currencies, so we're going to be waiting. So we did that session, went much deeper into what is taking place, what we expect from price, what are the key zones, key supply and demand zones that we're going to be watching for signals, what those signals are, and the logic behind why those are signals. And now it's break time. It's 20 minutes after 12, and it's a gorgeous day outside. If you can see outside, it's gorgeous. It's blue skies. And after a weekend of rain, it's nice to see the blue skies again. And now I'm heading to play some tennis at the tennis club. So I'm going to do that for a bit. Then I'm going to go for a drink with the guys afterwards. And then I'm going to head back home and continue with the analysis. I'll get those sessions edited and uploaded, and then I'll see you in the Telegram channel. Take care. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tuesday. We did a nice couple sessions yesterday with members. We did a Sherlock session, which I mentioned to you yesterday, and the CFTC session. So bottom line is we got to wait. With gold, silver, currencies, we got to wait until the next phase of the move. A lot of consolidation happening, so it's not the time to be trading. If you trade gold, silver, the major currency pairs, you're probably not going to do very well. But when the real momentum starts to kick in, we will have some good trading opportunities, but they're just not there yet. So we've been focusing on stocks, and the stock market has been doing extremely well for us. Our portfolio is up, doing extremely well, and we positioned ourselves weeks ago, if not months ago. Don't know exactly when it was, the exact date, but when the stock market dropped down to the major demand zones that we were just talking about this morning in our YouTube session, We waited for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ to drop into a monthly demand, and you can see the chart right here. And after it dropped into demand, we knew that it was likely we were going to see some major buying taking place from the big institutions, and so we positioned ourselves in a lot of stocks that were setting up to be bought by the banks. So Apple stock was one of them. We're also inside or in HIMS. We have Etsy. We have ticker symbol P, Endure or something like that. They changed their name, but that one's doing really well. So yeah, our positions are up. JEPQ, that one is an ETF that's been paying off really nice dividends. So we're doing extremely well with that. I actually added to my position on that one when we got the pullback, and price continued to drop further past my entry, and I wasn't too concerned. And I made a post on social media. I said, are you guys worried right now when the NASDAQ was dropping? It was dropping inside a really nice weekly demand zone, and I told everybody this is a very high quality weekly demand zone, so we shouldn't be worried at all about that weekly demand zone not doing its job. And it did its job. And this is why I made that post. I wanted to see if everybody was concerned about that big red candle on the weekly chart, because if you know what you're doing and you know what to expect from markets, there's no need to be feeling any concern. So anyways, markets are looking awesome. Stock portfolio is looking awesome. We're going to be entering into some more stock trades soon. I just put in orders for UNH, because a lot of big money is going into health stocks right now, and UNH is one that's been setting up for quite some time. We've been just waiting for it, and now it's getting ready to explode to the upside. So I got orders on that one as well. All right. Other than that, there's a lot of noise down there. Our road is all the way down there. You can't see anything because we're surrounded by trees, but there's a lot of construction on that road. So it's been kind of noisy all summer. Not a huge fan of that, but what can you do? That's just how it is. At least we're going to have a nicely paved road for the wintertime. It was paved before, but they just needed to expand it, make it a little bit wider. I got the kids over. Some friends of my daughters are over, so we got the little bouncy castle set up there. It was blowing a few minutes ago, but I guess they're off at the pool having fun. And with that said, I'm going to be taking off to the pool as well, so we will see you later. Take care, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday. Yeah, look at that. Gold, explosive move to the upside. All right, now listen. If you've been following us, you'd know that I was pointing out all the evidence suggesting that price was going to break up through that daily supply zone and make a move to the upside. Now, some of you thought, I don't know, Kevin. I don't know why you're thinking it's going to go to the upside, because all the evidence is pointing to the downside. Well, I don't know what evidence you were looking at, but I was pointing out the reasons why we suspected gold was going to go up, okay? And there are very clear reasons. US dollar, Japanese yen maxing out on longs, euro maxing out on shorts, them needing to close off, the reaction off of daily supply, the lack of signals, the break of the descending trend line on the 4-hour time frame, demand coming in. Look, this is institutional buying, and I mentioned this in the video. Once they break this descending trend line, they're going to come in with buying. Look, buy, 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 and now up. All right, this is how it goes. Wednesday. Talk to you later. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the parents. Oh, see? The nest is somewhere here. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's okay. Let's leave it alone. Sherry's place here. Very cute little place. Downtown Fall River. Going for a little stroll with the family.